welcome to Vlogmas. So I've noticed that when I wash clothes, they have cat hair from prior washing of a load. So I'm thinking maybe I'll just have the machine run without clothes in it, maybe to clear up any residue from the clothes that were washed yesterday, which had cat poop, because the little cat pooped in one of the bedrooms of the bed, and that, oh there, see, things like that. Can you, yeah, that's what I'm trying to get rid of, this. Yeah, she pooped on the bed, and those things had to be washed in here. And so I'm just gonna get rid of any of that leftover. You don't want poop on your beautiful new clothes or your favorite clothes. So let's just work that. What I did before I started filming is I put some of sunlight powder in there. Okay. And here I'll just try to get what I can. Not just come off. If anything, it was just water, a little bit of cat fur, and that's it. I think I need this, but it says, so this is a descaler, and it says that I should put some inside the drum and then put other contents of the sachet on the drawer where you saw I had put the sunlight powder, which is a washing detergent powder, something like that. Let me just do one roll with just the detergent. I'll just do something simple like quick 30. Yeah, quick 30. Ooh. I was a little nervous about, well, I'm a bit apprehensive about running the washer with no clothes inside. Is this dirt on the outside? Oh my god, that is dust on the outside. Holy moly. Yeah, I need to wipe that. Yeah, she needs, today is take care of the washer day. Running it without any clothes inside. I was advised that it doesn't matter. I hope so.
The other one wet.
Ooh, that's so cool. It got all foamy inside there. Awesome. Okay, so I got this a bit damp. You saw earlier. So dirty on the outside. Ooh, disgusting. That is so mesmerizing. Look at the foam. Anyway, so this is a kitchen sponge. I'm just gonna go through it to take any more dirt that's left there. Dirty, 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 dirty. Okay, just drying this with a microfiber rag, right?
Yep.
Front is looking good. Now to clean up here. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Oh my god. Filthy. Ooh, what is that? Oh no. It's drying. I mean, well, it's rinsing. Look at the foam. But wow. That looks like a winter wonderland? Something like that. Oh, foam is mesmerizing. It's done, so I'll just do, oh, power on, then rinse spin. That's 20, because there's still foam, but it looks, what is going on? It poured some like soapy water inside. Maybe some was where the water comes out, the soap, the foam, I don't know. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's pouring water in there. It's pouring here. Oh yeah. Wow, it's getting foamier. What have we done? What have we done? I'll keep you updated. All done with the rinse plus spin, and it looks so good. What's going on? It won't open even though. Okay, never mind. That's so clean. It even smells good. Oh, luxurious clean. Luxurious clean. Pour half the contents of the sachet into the drum. And I'll describe it to you. It's like salt. It feels like salt. It's crystally like salt, but it smells like nothing really. I think that's that. Pour the rest into the drawer. Should I pour all over? I don't know. Just probably just no, just bare. No, just. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, close it up. I'm ashamed of our drawer. I really am. Okay.
Oh, it's already making it clean.
Then set 40 degrees on the not cooker. How do I set 40 degrees? Like, oh. It says 40. Oh, okay.
Okay, so we stop. Do you want to stop?
It just said 40 degrees, no other specifications.
Yeah. But we've done it.
It just said 40 degrees and no other Jesus Christ. Specifications?
Yeah.
Okay, start.
What's this for? On. Okay.
This should be interesting. The way we're watching so intensely.
It's gonna become soapy.
I wonder. Look at that water go. Go, 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 go. So the drum is full of water now. Well, not full. It just has water. Plus that salty descaler. So is it does this descaler foam up, or is just the soap that was there prior, or is this water? Okay, let's unbox it.
How many cups are in there? That's so light.
No, it's not the cups.
Yeah. Woo! Kill him all! Kill him all! Whoa! This is exciting. Are you gonna open it? What is this? Oh, it's a bunch of stuff. What is this? Battery reverse protection. I don't know what that is. And then what? Oh, what is this? It's so cute.
Alarm clock? Let's open this one.
The alarm clock radio.
Whoa.
Wow. Well, look at the slot something.
It's black. It's not like on the box cover.
Is that it? It's a charger.
Oh.
It's a smart
Oh,
charger.
wow. Look at
Battery
this.
charger.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, for the torch. Battery charger.
But this was here before.
Oh my god, this is so nice.
It is.
She's gonna love it. On without. What did it say?
Bluetooth on.
Bluetooth
Let me
on.
turn it
So it's
on.
a radio that you can connect. I mean, so what is it? Can you explain it?
It's a clock radio.
Turn it
Radio.
on.
Also a Bluetooth speaker. It's like everything.
Bluetooth mode.
Should be
Wow.
a button for the radio. I don't know how you do it though.
You do it.
Wow. If
So it charges batteries that are that size or smaller.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me bring you some batteries.
Oh, sorry.
FM mode.
Wow.
Radio alarm clock has one of those rechargeable batteries, right? Yes. Scanning through the it's scanning through the channels.
Tumia ushawishi wao kubuni au kuimarisha Somalia xiriir
Someone wanted to wash their shoes because they got dusty yesterday from the walk. Do you think that's enough?
I'll give it a try. I think it might be.
Water?
I think so.
Okay. So you'll just hang them outside here, right? Are you gonna wash them like completely, make the whole shoe wet, or just
No, I don't think so. I'm just probably gonna do the bottom here.
okay? That beautiful. It looks like a diamond. It's shining like a diamond. It smells good. Now to put in some new clothes for washing today. Funky shape, don't you think? Do you like sweet potato? Dinner. Now I'm going to have my favorite ice cream in the world. Okay, no, maybe. I mean, it might taste better in future. I don't know. Make up your mind. Hello. So this is pistachio and oops. Ooh. Okay. Put this in the freezer for a while. I have a really nice freezer now. As you know, I got a really nice fridge. Watch that vlog. This is pistachio coconut with sweet cream and sprinkles with some yellow cake. So it's a very loaded dessert. So creamy.